Morris-Tangerine by Edward Bloor. Meet the Fisher family: Mr. Fisher, Mrs. Fisher, Eric, and Paul. In the beginning, the Fisher family has to move to Tangerine, Florida because of Mr. Fisher's job. In Tangerine, they suffer from lots of mosquitoes, rain and thunderstorms, fire, and don't forget sinkhole. Paul loves to play soccer and his team is really good. He ends up playing for 2 different schools. Eric gets into a lot of trouble, but his parents see a little angry. Eric plays football and kills a boy named Lewis. Eric also steals some money.
Shh, don't tell.
Eric gets caught, but lucky for him, he doesn't have to go to jail. Paul finds the truth out about Eric and about his past. Paul gets into trouble at school. He's being expelled. His mom does not know what to think. If you enjoyed this trailer and want to know more, read Tangerine for yourself today. Presented to you by Noah K. Morris.